You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'll be sharing with you a particular airdrop that if you have started mining, I can say congratulations. And if you have not started mining, this is an airdrop you need to start mining ASAP. Yes, I tell you, you don't need to waste time because if you start mining today, you are still in the part of those that are in the early phase. Yes, they are starting. So this particular airdrop, which we call the wrapped pie, was launched on the 20th of this month of May 2025. So if you are mining, this is just an opportunity to gather a good amount of that particular coin. And one of those things I liked about this particular token is that the ratio is actually 1:1, meaning the value 1:1 with pi, meaning if you're able to mine, let's say 1000 units of wrap, it is also equivalent when you want to convert it to around 1000 pi. Yes, that is just the beautiful thing. And you can know currently, you know what the pi, the price of pi is actually currently now is above $1, almost close to $2. And this is the X account of this particular wrapped pi team that you can see they have over 41 club members. So this is just the opportunity for you to start mining it now. Forget about the naysaying if it is real or not real. It's better you start mining now so that at the end you will not start regretting, because who know that if halving might eventually come up. The team has not actually talked about halving, but I know that in the later run, halving will actually happen, whereby you'll be unable to even mine one wrapped pie. So for this video is not about to explain the nitty-gritty of how the wrap pie work or what wrap pie is all about. It's all about how you can start mining today. Let me show you how to start mining. So to start mining, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So after clicking on that particular link, it will bring you here. So what you need to do is to tap on start mining. You tap on it, start mining, then you allow it to load. So the mining is actually on the Telegram platform. So after clicking on the link, it will bring it to our face and it will start mining. And you can see on this earning section, it says earning one wrap pie per day. Yes, you'll be able to earn one. So if you want to refer an individual, you can see that my mining has actually started working now. I've actually missed 9 days because this thing started on the 20th and today is 29, meaning that I've missed 9 wrap pie. If you want to refer your friends, you can just come here and just copy or share. You can just copy. So what you'll be given is that you'll be given 0.05 wrap pie and invitee. So and also you can actually come to this tax section here and perform all the tasks that you'll be seeing. Let me show you in the tax section. But when you tap on it, you can actually perform all the tasks. You come to the top 100 to check the top 100 individual, the P2P, and also the connecting wallet function. I'll be dropping a lot of videos on how you can actually optimize and how you can actually increase your earning in this spy coin. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video next time. Thank you. Bye bye for now.